In a whimsical world where dinosaurs and modern creatures coexist, young Dino, an adventurous and spirited T-Rex, dreams of becoming the greatest explorer. Dino lives in Dinoville, a vibrant town where dinosaurs and humans live side by side, and often finds himself tangled in lighthearted mischief with his best friends, Tilly the Triceratops and Spike the Stegosaurus. One day, Dino discovers an ancient map hidden in his grandmother's attic. The map leads to a legendary crystal of harmony, said to grant wisdom and strength to anyone who finds it. Eager for adventure, Dino and his friends set out on a journey through lush jungles, treacherous mountains, and enchanted forests. Throughout their quest, they encounter quirky characters like a mischievous pterodactyl and a wise old brontosaurus who help them solve puzzles and navigate challenges. Each obstacle teaches them valuable lessons about teamwork, bravery, and the importance of believing in themselves. In the end, they find the crystal of harmony, but realize that their real treasure was the friendships and experiences they gained along the way. They return to Dinoville, where their adventure becomes the stuff of legend, inspiring others to chase their dreams.